We've just released the results of our most recent Transatlantic Trends immigration survey, which collects public opinion on a wide range of immigration and integration issues in North America and Europe. We've been conducting this survey for 4 years, since 2008. And this year we were able to survey the public in the United States, the United Kingdom, France, Germany, Spain, and Italy. We were able to do this with the support of our partners, the Compagnia di San Paolo, the Barrow Cadbury Trust, and the Fundación BBVA. 2011 was a year of great political and economic turmoil on both sides of the Atlantic. Fears surrounding migration resulting from the Arab Spring dominated the headlines in Europe, and debates continued in the U.S. on possible immigration reform proposals. Given these developments, we expected a decrease in openness toward immigration. However, when we asked the public, is immigration more of a problem or an opportunity for your country, we see remarkably little change since previous years, and still highest skepticism in the United Kingdom towards immigration. Another important finding of our survey was tapping into the public view of their government performance on immigration management. Overall, we find the public is not happy with their government's performance. In fact, 73% of American respondents deem their government immigration management to be poor or very poor, and 68% of Europeans. Discontentment with their government immigration management is highest in Italy, with 83% of respondents saying their government is doing a poor job. Another key finding of the Transatlantic Trends Immigration Survey taps into the public's view of the appropriate role for the European Union in migration issues. Regarding developments in North Africa, 80% of European respondents actually preferred that the European Union be responsible for managing the migration for North Africa rather than the receiving country. On a related note, we also asked the European public about what the role of the European Union should be in setting national immigrant admissions numbers in general. Although a majority of Europeans still do not prefer the EU to their country and having primary responsibility over national immigrant admissions numbers, we see an increase in support in every country since 2010. We also asked the U.S. public about another issue on the current immigration reform agenda, the DREAM Act. In general, the U.S. public does support the provisions of the DREAM Act, which would provide legal status to illegal immigrant youths who successfully enter the U.S. military or university. 65% of U.S. respondents are in support of the provisions of the DREAM Act. On this issue, we see less of a partisan split, with 75% of Democrats and as well a majority of Republicans, 55%, in support of the provisions of the DREAM Act. For more information on these issues and other topics covered in our survey this year, including views on high-skilled immigration, more policy issues surrounding the Arab Spring and its consequences, and views of immigrant integration, please see our website, www.transatlantictrends.org.